has to be another way. I'm not taking a taxi all the way to Virginia. I work in Virginia.
I understand. And I apologize for the inconvenience. But unfortunately,
I don't have to come back. I just need to get out. I need to get out. I need to get out. I gotta go.
I understand. I can't have you do that.
But I gotta
Stop. Stop. You cannot move this. I'm
to.
telling you right now.
Oh, I gotta go to work. What do you want me to do? Like, I have to go to work.
You cannot get out. I can't help you with that. Please do not disturb this area.
I might have to.
Ma'am.
Okay.
I'm going to run through the roadblock. It's 2 George Lincoln 4626. Stop! Stop your car. Stop!
Excuse me.
Stop!
Excuse me, y'all.
Ten, there's a lady running down the street now in a BMW. Stop! We're at 6 now. Stop! Stop! Get out of the car.
I literally spent so much time in airport loos because it was the only place where I could get quiet time. It would be like when I used to go to strategy group meetings.
You've just given us an exclusive.
I used to spend a lot of time out in the strategy group meetings. I would go and have quiet time in the loos because it was the only place that I would get peace from those 30 blokes.
Come on. Learn a roundabout.
Imagine all the people sharing.
His regime is going to mean for that was mostly untouched, not harassed by the former regime in Bashar al-Assad. They were largely left alone. So they're trying to figure out where they're going to fit in this new Syria. And it seems like that is where a lot of this latest violence is stemming from. But again, very hard to tell where this situation is going in southern Syria. But the IDF and the Israelis are making it clear.
That tow truck driver was having such a hard time with it.
Yeah, he must have been like, what the fuck happened here, dog?
Video protected.
True. Pull over, quick. Hang on.
Oh! Oh, Jesus Christ. Oh my God. Jesus. Oh. Oh no. Oh.
Corner like sideways like that already. It's like you pull out now, then you go sideways. Well, you have.
Oh, are they turning or are they?
Go. Yes, they. Oh. Oh. Shit. Okay. Yep. Corner like sideways like that already. It's like you pull out now, then you go sideways. Well, you have.
Oh, are they turning or are they?
Go. Yes, they. Oh. Shit.
Okay.
Yep.
We got rear-ended.
Actually?
Yep.
Uh-oh.
Okay. Put your blinkers on.
It said that it was connected.
No, this camera is not connected. It's not
I'm connected on your car.
Yeah, okay. Why do you use that language?
That looks like
I can use whatever language I want.
This is
because
America.
I'm angry.
This is America. Then go back
Correct.
to your country. This is America.
This is my country. You probably should go back to where you're from.
I don't know about
I'm from
that.
here.
You don't sound
You
like
white
you're from
trash.
country.
I sound cooler than you. Alright, well, the cop is over there. There's a camera that records you right there.
I love him.
Yeah.
He's amazing.
Wonderful.
We're getting along very well.
Alright, so Rich, and under the circumstances, you want to go to a report? What works best for these people? Police report it is. I'm gonna go tell him that. Yeah, no problem.
She literally admitted to doing